So we are headed to McDonald's to get a little bite of breakfast. That's all we have in town for breakfast. We have like nothing here. But I'm heading over to my mom's. I told her since I was off today, I would come over bright and early in the morning and get us some breakfast and some coffee. So I'm heading there now. Give me a nice, delicious cup of McDonald's coffee. I love McDonald's coffee. That is my that's my favorite go-to coffee. Love, love, love their coffee. It is so beautiful outside today. I live in the great state of Ohio, and it is only supposed to be in the 70s today. They're building O'Reilly's Auto Parts in our little tiny town, like we need one. They should have built like a steakhouse or something. Anybody need no damn auto parts store? There's one up the road anyway. I live in a country town. Just kind of live out in the country. I have about 3 acres. It's nice. Let's see if McDonald's is busy. But yeah, McDonald's is the only restaurant in my little town. And they are busy. All the town, it's funny because if you come in through here early enough, you'll see all the town's old men. They all meet for breakfast here. So any of you ladies out there looking for a man, come to McDonald's in my town. That's where they all meet for breakfast.
Good morning, this is Hartley. How are you today?
Just fine. How are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. What can I do for you?
Give me 2 egg McMuffins. Give me 2 of your hash browns. And give me a sausage burrito with the hot sauce. And I'd like a medium coffee with 3 creams and a medium coffee with 4 creams and about 6 sugars. That'll be all.
Okay, so I have a medium coffee with 4 creams and 6 sugars, and then a medium coffee black and 2 egg McMuffins, a burrito with hot sauce and 2 hash browns.
That black coffee was, there was no black coffee. There was a medium coffee with 3 creams as well. So 1 with 3 creams and 1 with 4 creams and 6 sugars.
All right. Got that fixed. And is that everything for you today?
Yeah, that'll be all.
All right, that'll be $11 even at your first window. Thank you.
Thank you. Jesus. $11.
Egg and cheese biscuit and hash brown?
No. There was 2
Coffees, egg McMuffin.
2 egg McMuffins, 2 coffees.
A burrito and 2 hash browns.
Correct.
$11. Hi, how are you? I'm great. You can order whenever you're ready. Alright, can I get you anything else? Alright, you told us $3. Thank you. You have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Thank you. You too.
Get 2 egg McMuffins, a burrito, and 2 hash browns.
Correct. Thank you. All right. I asked for salt and ketchup. It's hard to do this. pull around here and see if I got everything in my bag. I get so mad when I don't. Now we're heading to Mom's. Alright, I just got back from the grocery store again. I swear, it seems like I go to the grocery store every other day. But hey, you know, it is what it is. Let me show you what I got. Well, actually, I'd been at my mom's. I went and had breakfast with her. Coffee. All the good stuff. So I stopped at the store. Let me show you what I bought. I bought a gallon of milk. I always buy the full milk, the whole milk, because hey, my daughter's gotta have strong teeth and bones. Got some milk bone dog biscuits for my puppies. And then I've got some random cat food and dog food. Got some Clorox bleach wipes. I love them things. This is just a bag of cat food and dog food. So I'm going to put this over here because I'm going to put that up. I also got, later today, I'm going to be filming a caramel apple upside down cake. So hopefully I'll get that video to you guys soon. You know, fall's coming around and I can't wait for fall. But I love caramel apple, pumpkin spice, just all that good stuff. So I'm doing a caramel apple upside down cake for you guys. So you're going to love that. I got some grape tomatoes because I'm also going to do another recipe for you. And it, I don't even know the name of it. I don't even call it anything. I just call these things that I throw together. And I've got some green onions. That's going to go in that recipe. So are the tomatoes. And then I also bought an English cucumber. Because the grocery store sells them big cucumbers. And they're like almost yellow in color where they've sat in the sun too long. And they're about that big around. Who wants those? I like them when they're nice and small and crisp. So I always buy the English cucumbers. I love those. They're like fresh off the garden anyways, but seems like. I bought Mexican cheese for Olivia. I bought some turkey breast and some ham. I always get mine really super thin because that's the way we like it. But what I did today is I bought that for sandwiches tonight. Because Olivia has a tennis match. Am I too close? Oh, my hair's all jacked up. So I wanted something quick and easy. So I thought turkey and ham sandwiches will be fine. Plus I'm going to be filming today. So we can have that as well. And I bought her a couple yogurts. I bought the orange cream and the harvest peach. And I think I also got 2 of the French vanillas because I think she likes those really well. You know what I like to do with these? A nice little tasty treat. Add you a couple, take the French vanilla and add just some little candies in there like the, like the little chocolate chips or something in there. That's, that's good. I got some brown sugar. And, because that's going to go on my caramel apple upside down cake. Got some Parmesan cheese, the shredded Sargento Parmesan cheese. I got some mushrooms, some basil, because I'm going to do a pasta dish, but it's not going to have pasta in it. I bought some of these veggie spirals. These are expensive. This was like $4.99 for one of these. I bought 2 of these. And I'm going to do a nice knockoff pasta dish, but it's not going to be pasta. It's going to have the veggie spirals. And actually, this is the butternut squash. And this has 12 grams of carbs in it. Now, the zucchini spirals only had 2 grams, but I've not had the butternut squash. I've had the zucchini, so we're going to try those. Also got some sharp cheddar. Got some imperial margarine. I've got some vanilla. I got a couple of these banquet chicken pot pies. We haven't had these in a long time, and I think Olivia would probably like to try those. You know, she needs something quick and easy when she comes home from. She has either band or tennis or both every flipping day, and it's like, she's a busy girl. And I also got some of my favorite light whole grain bread. 35 calories, and I think this has like 11 grams of carbs per 2 slices. But this is really good. I really like this. My husband don't like it. This is like eating cardboard. Or something. When's the last time he ate cardboard? And then I got some Sunbeam White, whole grain white that I got for Olivia for a turkey sandwich or a ham sandwich for later. What else? I got onions, and I got some apples. Look at these beautiful apples. I'd like to have one right now. But I'm not going to eat one, because that's what I'm going to make my caramel apple cake with. And I got 4 of those. Those are $4.99 a pound. This is ridiculous how much you spend on food. I got a head of lettuce. And they had these on sale for $2.99, orange creams bars. I got these for Olivia. I figured she might like those for a tasty treat. Of course, I have one myself here in a few minutes. But anyway, that's my grocery haul for today. I guess I better get this stuff put up. Oh my God! I